Look at that amazing food from Morimotos. He is my favorite Iron Chef, and the food was awesome. So we're going to start off with the executive suite, 675 square feet, anywhere from 300 to 1,200 a night. It's a really nice room, you guys. The bedroom is separated. Check out that nice couch. There's also a dining room table. I'm not sure about the price, though. I mean, for 300, I guess it's okay, but on the weekends, sometimes it goes for 12. Look at that nice, comfortable bed. And there's 2 entrances to the bathroom, which is kind of cool. 2 TVs, one in the bedroom, one in the living room. And 2, like I said, 2 entrances to the bathroom. Here's one from the bedroom. And then you have your toilet, right? Then you have a bathtub with a shower, double sinks, and a separate shower. That's kind of cool, so 2 people can shower at the same time. That's always awesome, right? Woohoo! All right, and here is the other exit to the living room. So we're going to start off with the Grand King, which is a regular hotel room. It's 446 square feet, which is pretty big, right? 1 king, 3 people max. This is the bathroom. Only 1 shower, unfortunately. 1 sink. But it's pretty nice, all in all. That's your closet, and I think there's a safe in there. Oh no, the safe is in the drawer, actually. But check out the bed. The bed looks comfortable. Artwork is nice. I think my favorite part about this room is at least you have 2 chairs to relax. And there's the chairs and a table. And then there's a workspace right over here. And 446 square feet is pretty big, you guys. And the rooms start at $89 to $250 on the weekends. So if I had a choice between the executive suite or this room, I think I'm apt to take this room because it's not bad, you guys. That's what I think Dave wants.
Already cooked chili crows and already used the kosher organic to the dough. We're going to take our pork belly, set it on the side of the bowl. The bowl is 450 degrees. We have spinach, carrots, daikon, and a little bit of pickled mushroom greens. Sweet sesame soy.
Smells so good.
careful when you guys serve each other. This bowl's gonna say hot.
Thank you.
You don't know how to mix food? It's not that often.
Jack fried rice, looking so good. Hello. Some great chefs at Morimoto, guys. You don't care. What? I'm like 4 times more important than my birthday.